Okay, so update. The bird jumped back, or flew back, I should say, to our car. And boy, he is so close. He is right there. I'm just going to zoom in a second. Boom. It's not as clear for some reason. Not sure why, but man, that is like right there. I can't get the phone any closer to the windshield. That is crazy. What are you doing, bird? Walking around on the car. I'm sure he wants a fry. You know, that's obviously what's going on. But I can get closer to it down here. Those feet. Those bird feet.
Oh my God,
that was
fry.
crazy. Should I?
Does that make him sick?
I don't know. He probably eats fries all the time. All right. I'm going to try to give him a fry. I'm going to try to do it on video. All right, ready?
Yep.
All right. Put this down for... Oh, no. Okay. No. Boy, this is not his first rodeo. He knows about the window and everything. So... I'm going to try it on your side. You probably don't want to. Oh, man.
Okay, throw it out my window.
Okay. Try to throw it out your window onto the hood, and I'm gonna try to video it from a wider angle. He sees movement. See, he can see us. It's not like it's dark. I mean, he sees us.
Okay. Well.
All right, I'm gonna try to. I'll put my window down a little bit. Dang, he's too quick. Oh my God! Really? All right. Just like make a lot of movement, maybe. I'm gonna grab a fry. Pretend like you're gonna do it, and then yeah, pretend like you're. Don't put it down that much. He'll come in the car. All right.
Go.
There. He got it.
That's what he wanted.
He's getting it. Oh man, look at that. There's crazy bird action going on. There's still a little nub right there. There's a nub. Come on, get the nub.
He's saying, I could use another fry.
He's like, that's not enough. Boy, that's good. That's tasty, isn't it, bird?
No, another one.
All right, hold on. Oh, did it go underneath? You couldn't get it?
Yeah.
Oh, damn it. Sorry, bird. I tried to. I tried to.
Hold on your window.
Here, I'll put the window down if you. Oh, he's too close to you, and you can just throw. Ready?
He sees it in my hand.
He does. He sees it. Oh man! All right. Go. There you go. You got that one. Man, he ate that thing quick. All right. Well, whatever. I mean, how much longer are we going to do this? I know it's a kind of a unique thing, but it's like, okay. Yeah, you see us. You just don't know what the phone is. You see us. You're not blind. That's craziness. All right, it's been 4 minutes. I guess this is enough.